Hello, JC Mountain Jar. What is going on, my friends? I am super excited to be presenting to you all today. Everyone from near to far. I hope the day is going well for you guys. Today, we are presenting a little knife to go along with the open tag of JO's Sack Pack. But I also want to say thank you very much to Randy over at Georgia Adventure for the Knife Brotherhood. These guys are maybe, to me, I see these guys as the founding fathers, right? Check it out. So we got RJ's, we got Knife Delights, we got HTZDC, we got Georgia Adventure, we got JO Sack Pack. And I will be reaching out to the rest of you fellows for your stickers and a good old handshake from JC Mountain Jar, just to say thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I have been having fun. I absolutely have. I hope you guys have. Welcome you to have some fun right along with me today as we're going to check out this Victorinox. I have not opened it. I ordered it. Smoky Mountain Knife Works. It's the Farmer Alox. Let's check it out right now. Man, if you guys are already excited, I'm excited. Look at that. I dig the Alox. This is my first Alox. Those covers are really cool. This is a 4 line Farmer's Victorinox. Let's see what it's got. Easy pull, nice snap on this cap lifter there. Can opener. We'll go over to the left side where we have a half stop on the flathead. Bottle opener, wire stripper, and then we have the primary knife, I believe, or maybe not. It's kind of hard for me to see. Let me take my glasses off. It's a little easier. Can't see a darn thing without my dentures, I tell you. There's the primary. Ooh, and I like that. Let me close these two little ones. I love that half stop on there. Wow. That was cool. Great. I've picked up a lot of secondary Victorinox. They lose their snap. Like these older used ones that I pick up. So to get a brand new one, oh, that is bad. Oh, I dig it. Anyways. There's that nice Victorinox shield. Those pins stick up just a little bit, but why would I be worried about that? So there should be a saw, right? Every farmer needs a saw. Every saw needs a farmer. This is the all with no eye. That's cool. What else do we have here? One more thing here. Oh, look at that. Look what I found. Fancy scissors. Cut. Scissors. Oh. Cut. Ooh, and then the little area there if you were to ever engrave somebody's name or something nice to somebody as a gift. Stainless steel springs, aluminum liners. A bail. A bail, JC. Hey, Jason, remember that on that video, man? A bail, JC. Oh man, I like it. I don't got much else to say. You guys have a wonderful day. Happy Sack Pack. Thank you, Knife Brotherhood. Mountain in a jar.